Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to get your own DIY custom made poster wall. It's really easy and they're only like 60 cents a piece. And also, if you are a BTS fan, I'm doing a BTS giveaway in this video. Stay tuned until the end to find out how you can win all of these prizes. If you are new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up for me, and leave a comment down below letting me know which poster was your favorite. I read every single one of my comments, and please watch the ad. It will really help your girl out. And let's get started. This is so weird. I've never shown you guys my room before, and honestly, I don't know what to say. So basically, I live in my parents' garage, and this thing, I didn't put this up there. It was there when I got back home from college. My parents have been living in this house for like 2 years, I think, and I slept at home before when I was still in college, maybe like a handful of times, but never in my own room. So I basically didn't live here, and when Corona hit, I had to live here. So I'm finally gonna spend time to remove this thing. It's like a curtain thing, and I'm gonna remove it and put up some posters. I got these from FedEx, and I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to get these. They were ranging for like 61 cents each, so yeah, really cheap. I printed out around 23, 25 of them. I'm definitely gonna need to print out more.
So you're going to want to log on to fedex.com, click whatever language you need to click on, and then go to design and print. And then once you click on that, go to upload a ready file. Then you're going to click on marketing materials, and then click on flyers. And then drag your file here, like choose whichever files you have on your computer to print it. And click on any photos you currently have on your laptop. Once that loads, it'll show up this little pop-up thing. It's fine, just ignore it. And then you're going to click on the 8.5 × 14 size. I like the bigger size personally, and it'll come around to 61 cents a poster.
A little update on my wall. I finished it already, so I'm going to show you guys all the posters that I have hung up on my wall and little tiny details that I added to make it a little bit cuter. Not a room tour because my room is still a mess, but we're working on it. So I do have fairy lights on top, but I'm not going to show you guys the rest of the fairy lights because I'm not done with my entire room yet, so this is the only part of my room that actually looks good. I do have BTS little concert slogans that I got because I think they're really cute and it kind of matches my aesthetics perfectly. I have Crazy Rich Asian poster because that's literally my favorite American movie ever. And then I have some more BTS like slogans, and you can see I had like a little empty cluster right here, so I just did some photos of me and my friends, my little sister, Shawn Mendes. Oh yeah, that picture was me and my sister at a BTS concert. And then I have some cute little slogans, and right here you can literally see that's where I messed up. Yeah, but that's okay. I have Mark Twain, Bam Bam, Sailor Moon. This is the prettiest thing. I also messed up here. I'm gonna probably cover this up with some random stuff that I find, this little white area. But this is like, this picture of Woosung is the prettiest picture I've ever seen. I have this graduation quote by Jimin because it meant a lot to me when he said, "I hope you will never give up. Remember, there is a person here in Korea in the city of Seoul who understands you." And then that's Sailor Moon. I just thought that was so cute, and it's basically means 6 months every single time. Fly to the moon. Live a life you will remember. I try to live by this sometimes. That's Shawn Mendes. This is the Illuminate tour, the best tour Shawn has ever had. I don't care. This is the best tour. This is why was I gonna say Tokyo? This is Totoro. Well-behaved women don't make history because, duh, honestly. That's Lisa. I have some more BTS pictures, some anime stuff that I watch. Oh, this is Jin. This is a recent picture of Jin from the B album. Also, FedEx needs to explain something to me because I think they purposely not printed my Yoongi picture. I don't know. I'm missing a Yoongi picture. I printed a picture of Yoongi from the Decor era, and they didn't give it to me, so I don't know. I need to reprint it. But this says, "Don't cry for him, make him cry. Simple." Some of these quotes are really sad, by the way, because I'm genuinely kind of a sad person. This says, "I feel like I'm losing myself." This is just a really pretty landscape picture. This is also from Spirited Away, Avatar. I love him. I think he's so cute. Sakura, Junie, Sailor Moon, Pokemon, I have Hope World, I have Jackson, I have Naruto, I have some games, some lower stuff down there. I have BTS Mic Drop. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I have on my wall. I think it's so cute. And this all costed me around like maybe $25 to $35 for a huge wall. So for prizes, you're going to be winning these 2 socks. These are Cookie BT21 socks. You also win these 2 mini pickets. You also win all 7 of these Love Yourself, like they're kind of supposed to mimic the photo cards. You win that enamel pin, the RJ kind of, I think these are like iPhone holders, the Junie key holder, and then a Jimmy iPhone holder as well. You also get this Jimin photo card. This is actually authentic. It's from their contact lines that they had. You'll also win all of these photo cards. There's a lot of them. I think there's like 40 of them. It's this big stack. You'll get all of them. And then I'm going to add in a few BT21 stickers as well. I have a lot of them, so I'll just add like whatever I have, like a few of them into there for you guys. So if you want to enter the giveaway, these are the rules. 1, you must be a subscriber of mine, so you must subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up for me. And 3, you must follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because I really just want to do this giveaway because it's a very small giveaway and I just wanted to do it to give back to my subscribers. So follow me on Twitter at ShilaBui and follow me on Instagram at ShilaBui so we can be friends. And then leave a comment down below when you tell me which poster I made was your favorite, and leave your Instagram handle, because that is where I will be contacting you guys. So be sure to leave your Instagram handles in the comments so I know that you are entering this giveaway. And that's it. The giveaway is international and the giveaway end date will be right here. Also, I just want to be crystal clear with you guys. The prizes in this giveaway, the items are not authentic. I got them from Wish, I believe. And these are my old merch items that I bought from Wish in previous videos that I'm not really using. I don't want to just have them laying in my house, and I don't want to throw them away either because I did spend money on them. So Christmas is coming and I just thought it would be a cute little gift for my subscribers if they wanted to win it. You don't have to enter, obviously, if you don't want to. I just thought it would be a cute little fun giveaway. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!